Good afternoon, kids. Hope you all are fine. So, let's continue with GK. Today we will know about the chapter 4, famous Indians. You can see there is many pictures. So, we will start with first picture who is, children, his very famous personality. He was the first Prime Minister of India, Jawaharlal Nehru. Write the name first. Jawaharlal, Jawaharlal Nehru, Nehru. Nehru. Jawaharlal Nehru was an Indian independence activist and subsequently the first Prime Minister of India. He was born in 14 November 1889. He was also known as Pandit Nehru due to his roots with the Kashmiri Pandit community, while Indian children knew him as better as Chacha Nehru because of his fondness with the kids. Now next question. Subhash Chandra Bose. He was also the famous activist of Indian independence. Subhash Chandra Bose. Write the name SUBHAS. Subhash Chandra. 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 Subhash Chandra BOAC. Bose. Subhash Chandra Bose. Subhash Chandra Bose was born in 23rd January 1897. Was an Indian nationalist whose defiant patriotism made him a hero in India. The horrific Netaji first appealed in the year 1942 to the Germany and established a army. He was the leader of the younger radical and wing of Indian National Congress and became Congress president in 1938. But gradually he turned as a warrior or fighter for the nation, and he collaborated with Germany and Japanese army and made his own army to fight with the Britishers. Now next, third number, very famous Mahatma Gandhi. His full name was Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. Mahatma Gandhi, write the name MAHATMA. Mahatma Gandhi, GANDHI. Mahatma Gandhi. Mahatma Gandhi, you know the date of birth of Mahatma Gandhi, students? Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi was born in 2nd October 1869. We celebrate as Gandhiji's birthday every year. And he was the lawyer and political ethic who employed noble causes and successfully campaigned for India's independence from British ruler, and in turn inspired movements for civil rights and freedom across the world. Okay, now fourth point is, see the picture. He is Rabindranath Tagore. First write the name, then I will tell you about Rabindranath Tagore. RABINDRANATH. Rabindranath Tagore. 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 Rabindranath Tagore was born in 7th May 1861, also known by his pen name Bhanu Singh Thakur. He was a Bengali poet, writer, music composer and painter from the Indian subcontinent. He got Nobel Prize for his book Gitanjali in the year 1913. And he was the first Nobel Prize winner from the Asia, not in India, from the Asia. Now, fifth number question. See the image. He is Bal Gangadhar Tilak. Write the name BAL. Bal Gangadhar. GANGA. Ganga DHAR. Dhar. Bal Gangadhar Tilak. 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 Bal Gangadhar Tilak was born in 23rd July 1856 as Keshav Gangadhar Tilak. He was an Indian nationalist, teacher and an independence activist. He was 1/3 of the Lal Bal Pal triumvirate. Tilak was first leader of the Indian independence movement. The British colonial authorities called him the father of the Indian unrest. He was also conferred with the title of Lokamanya, which means accepted by the people. Mahatma Gandhi called him the maker of modern India. Now, next point, 6th number image. Indira Gandhi. She was the first woman Prime Minister of India. Children, Indira Gandhi was born in 19 November 1917, was an Indian politician and a central figure of the Indian National Congress. She was the first and to date only female Prime Minister of India. Indira Gandhi was the daughter of Jawaharlal Nehru, the first Prime Minister of India. She served as Prime Minister from January 1966 to March 1977. So children, see here last point. Know with the direct. Dr. S. Again one name written. Dr. S. Radhakrishnan was the India's first Vice President. His birthday 5 September is celebrated as Teachers' Day in India every year. So children, you have to know the few things. First Prime Minister Jawaharlal Nehru, one lady Prime Minister Indira Gandhi, Mahatma Gandhi as Bapu, and the Radhakrishnan, S. Radhakrishnan, the first Vice President. His birthday 5th September we celebrated as Teachers' Day. Okay. Now we will learn about the next point, next chapter in the next video.